I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let me show you how to back up your watch. So just launch the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone and then go to Watch Settings. Under Watch Settings, scroll down to Accounts and Backup. Tap on that, and then you can see our last backup was on 5th. All right, so today is 6th, so that was yesterday. So if you want to, you can actually do another backup. Now if you tap on that, you can replace a backup with another backup right now. So let's tap on Replace Backup, and then as you've seen, backups happen automatically at night. So once you prompt that, then it's going to back up again at night. Now if you also want to save your backups to the Samsung cloud, go ahead and enable that, and as long as you've signed in with your Samsung account, then your backups will also be saved to the cloud. Okay, but currently they're being saved to my Google account, and this is my Samsung account. So I have backups on both the Google account and on the Samsung account. And that's basically how to back up your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.